Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Nunafey Volume Control Low Middle High Pitch Amp Preamplifier Amplifier Board Tone Control Audio Preamplifier Low Noise DIY Set Kits. This is a fascinating little board designed for audio enthusiasts looking to add precise tone control and preamplification to their sound systems. Right off the bat, one of the most important things to understand about this board, based on the provided information, is its power requirement. While it's listed as battery-powered and mentions battery as a material, the details explicitly state it cannot use a 12V battery or DC power supply directly. This is crucial. Instead, the power supply circuit on the board utilizes a full-bridge rectifier. This design choice is specifically mentioned to effectively eliminate interference from the AC power grid. What this tells us is that the board is likely designed to be powered by an AC source, perhaps from a transformer, which is then converted to the necessary DC voltage on the board itself using that rectifier circuit. So, if you're planning to use this, make sure you have the right kind of AC power source ready, not just a standard DC adapter or battery you'd plug in directly. Moving on to its function. This board acts as a preamplifier and tone control unit. It offers control over low, middle, and high frequencies, allowing users to shape the sound to their preference. There's also volume control, which is standard for a preamplifier. The information highlights that the chip used has a high conversion rate and strong drivability, which contributes to better overall performance. A key selling point mentioned is that the noise generated by the board is very small, which is absolutely essential for any audio component, especially a preamplifier that handles low-level signals before they're amplified further. Low noise means a cleaner, clearer sound. The board is described as a DIY set kit, meaning it likely requires some assembly, which is typical for these kinds of audio projects. It's relatively lightweight at 100 grams. The mention of 10 watts output wattage is a bit unusual for a preamplifier, as preamps typically deal with voltage gain, not power output measured in watts. This figure might refer to the maximum power the board components can handle, or perhaps a characteristic related to its driving capability, but it's important not to confuse this with the power output of a main amplifier that drives speakers. Its primary role is signal processing and boosting before the main power amplification stage. Overall, for someone building or modifying an audio system and needing flexible tone control and a clean preamplification stage, this Nunafey board seems to offer some promising features, particularly its focus on low noise and its specific power supply design aimed at reducing AC interference. Just remember that critical point about the power supply. It needs the right kind of AC input, not direct DC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.